Do you lend on mobile homes, manufactured homes, and modular homes? We're going to talk about the differences, what they are, and what we actually lend on. Let's get started here. First off, you're probably wondering, you've probably heard of mobile homes, also known as trailers. And so the idea is prior to 1976, after the World War II, there was lots of these demand for housing. So people started building these modular homes, which were basically homes that were trailers, could be pulled around, could be moved, and then put onto a foundation. In 1970s to 76, they came out and said, hey, there needs to be certain standards that need to happen in order for somebody to be living in this house. So if anything is a mobile home older than 1976, it's a no-go. We can't lend on that. And the reason is because FHA won't lend on that, which means you're not going to have enough buyers that can get qualified, that can purchase that property. So mobile homes or trailers are typically older than 1976. Those are properties that we don't want to be touching as an investor, and we're also not going to want to be lending on. Next up is manufactured homes. So manufactured homes kind of took the place of mobile homes. There's double wides, single wides, or triple wides, and basically these properties are brought and they're actually put down. They may be hauled on a truck. What really matters here is the difference between how it is attached. If it's a pier and beam type of an idea, which means it's movable, that's going to make it a manufactured home rather than a modular home. One big distinction with manufactured homes is manufactured homes are made to the guidelines based upon the state and local laws. They don't have national governments, and that's the difference between the modular homes. Modular homes are built, they're typically built in pieces. Think of it like building blocks or Legos, and then they're put together, but those are actually conformed to national guidelines. Then you've got your prefabricated house, where basically they make the house inside of a factory, which helps with weather delays and other things, and then they take that house in pieces and put it together. It's a little bit different than the modular. The modular is like building blocks that come together, where the prefab is like, here's the side of the house, here's this side of the house, and then it's sent and it's packaged in. So really when it comes down to this, we can lend on anything, prefab or fabricated house, not a problem, as long as it is part of a permanent foundation and on a lot that is owned by that person or owned that goes with the house. Modular is the same thing because you can do it in different pieces and put that together. It is based upon national standards, and that is not a problem for us either. Manufactured is where you're going to start having an issue. Manufactured, think of the old trailers. That's going to be because it's based upon state and local laws, and typically they're done on pier and beams, and they don't own the property that's underneath it. So that's going to be the big issue on those. And then lastly, just these old mobile homes that are older than 1976 are not going to be something you're going to want to be investing in, nor will we want to be lending on. Please remember that they have to be permanently attached to the land. They have to be classified as real estate or real property. And they also need to have utilities that are comparable for everything else that's in the area when it comes to sewer, water, electric, and gas.